Hi all, in today's video we are going to unbox this huge box of art supplies. So make sure you watch the video till the end to know all the art supplies in this box. We are going to start with the first product. Let's see. So the first thing that we have over here is a double-sided self-healing cutting mat in A3 size. On one side it has measurements in the centimeters and the other side in inches. It's great for measuring and cutting your papers. Next up, we have this waterproof apron, which is a useful product for those who love to paint. And it has belts that you can adjust according to your size and tie around your waist, as well as some pockets in the front that can help you hold a lot of brushes and tools while working on your artwork. Next, we have the Creta Color Black Box, which is an assortment of their charcoal products. Then we have a battery eraser with some extra refills. Next up are some Nailable erasers and graphite pencils. The graphite pencils are in a set of 12 with a lot of grades that can help you achieve various dark and light shades. Then we have an A4 size stitch-bound sketchbook, and you can see the artwork that we made on this. You can buy any of these products at a 10% discount using our code DIVRUSH10 from creativehands.in. Then we have the very famous 200 Gsm drawing sheets. You can see a drawing that we made on this. The one that I'm holding right now is A5 size, and this next one is an A4 size. They're also available in A3. Next up are blending stumps, which help you to blend your drawings seamlessly, and they come in various sizes. Then we have an interesting product, the English Willow charcoal, and they're in a set of 15 assorted sticks. Next, we have our fixatives for the dry media. They can be used for pencils, charcoal, and pastels. Then we have a spray varnish, which can be used to seal your paintings. This is a gloss, and this one is a matte finish varnish. Then we have a Viro-bound sketchbook in A3 size, suitable for large drawings and portraits. Next up is the Creta Color Graphite powder, which can be directly used from the jar onto paper. Then the 200 GSM drawing paper in A3 size. The last is a set of hog hair brushes with a zip case. The brushes are of various sizes and have long handles. I use it for my charcoal sketches as well as for some paintings. That's all for today. Please comment and tell us which is your favorite product out of these and which one would you like us to review in detail in the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep creating.